Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today, I'll be showing you how to do a hard reset on your CAT S41. So as usual, let's go ahead and get straight to the point. With your device powered off, what you want to do is you want to plug the volume up and the power button both at the same time and keep holding until the CAT logo pops up. As soon as the CAT logo pops up, go ahead and release both buttons. Go ahead and release them, and the Android recovery screen should be popping up here soon. Now we're at Android recovery. Using your volume down button, scroll down and highlight wipe data / factory reset. Now we're going to click the power button to select it. And now once more, volume down to highlight yes, power button to select it. Now all the data will be wiped and your phone will be back to factory settings. As soon as that's done, this screen will pop up, and go ahead and click the power button to reboot your system.